Hi everybody, my name is Dave Marsh. I'd like to welcome you to this OneHome Branding tutorial. And today we're going to talk about the importance of agent branding in OneHome. Now before I begin, I'd first like to mention that because each MLS has slightly different requirements, the system that we'll be using during this tutorial may differ slightly from the one that you're currently working with. Nevertheless, the functionality is the same, and for the most part, whatever you see during this tutorial, you'll easily recognize in your own system. All right, so as a real estate agent or broker, you already know that good branding makes a lasting impression on your consumers. But not only that, it's also a great way to distinguish yourself from your competitors. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to configure your agent profile so that your OneHome clients can easily identify what makes you the better choice. To do this, we're first going to navigate to our settings section. Now the settings section is your area in Matrix. Think of it as a repository for not only the things that you've created for yourself, but also a collection of whatever you've created for your contacts. And from here, we're going to click My Information, then the OneHome tab to include our agent profile information. Now, if you'd like, you can choose to upload a company logo, or you may also want to consider displaying your personal profile photo instead. Below that, you may recognize a few of the fields already contain some of the details that you added in the Information tab. So feel free to override any of the ones that you'd like to appear in OneHome. Now, if you're part of a team, you may also want to include your team name and license number so it appears directly below your own. And again, this is a great way to further brand your business if it's perhaps greater than just yourself. Another branding option that you may like to include are your social media links. So if you also maintain a Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram account, then feel free to add a URL for those as well. And finally, the content area is where you're able to share some additional details about yourself or your business. You can think of this as a special message section that your social media sites may not include for your clients. Now, if you'd like, you can also include a personal or professional video hosted on YouTube or Vimeo. To do this, simply copy the video's URL and paste it into the text box. All right, so once you're happy with the image that you've chosen and the profile information that you've selected, simply select the Save button. And your updated agent profile will now be available to each of your clients in OneHome. In addition to this, OneHome conforms to the W3C Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, meaning your branding is screen reader compatible, regardless of the type of device. All right, well, this concludes this Matrix branding tutorial. I'd like to thank you for watching and hope that you can join me for another session. Take care.